Hola de nuevo, welcome back. Aquí estamos para nuestro quinto vídeo de gramática. Quinto vídeo de gramática. Y hoy vamos a aprender la hora, right? The time, telling time, right? So, la hora, right? Telling time. I have here a watch, right? First thing I want you to learn is that we are gonna divide the watch in two parts, right? This right part, we are gonna associate it with the word E, right? The word E. And this left part, we are gonna associate it with the word menos, right? So this is the half of E, and this is the half of menos, right? First of all, we have here the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Y luego aquí en pequeño os he puesto los minutos, right? Estos son 5 minutos, 10 minutos, 15 minutos, 20 minutos, 25 minutos, 30 minutos, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 minutos. ¿Bien? There is 4 main points of the watch, right? When it's o'clock, we can use the expression en punto, right? So if it's 3 p.m., 3 o'clock, right? We say son las 3 en punto, right? Like sharp. When it is 30, when it's half, right? 3:30, we say y media. Right? So 3 o'clock will be 3 en punto. 3:30 will be 3:30. Right? And then we have another 2. When it's 3:15, right? Decimos y cuarto. Y cuando es 3:45, right? We say menos cuarto. Bien. So we could say, right? If we had, let's say, we had this time. This will be, sorry about that. That will be las 3:10, right? So the hour hand is pointing to 3. Son las 3:10, right? Son las 3:10. Right? That will be in digital. It will be 3:10. Right? If we had, if we had this here, right? Eso serían las 3:25, right? Y diríamos son las 3:25. Right? So let's say that this part, the E part, is easy, right? We just say the time it is, and E the minutes as we do in English, right? It's 3:20, it's 3:15, it's 3:10, it's 1:25, whatever it is. Now, what is the tricky part? The tricky part is if we go to the beyond 30 minutes. Why? Because, and I want to do a change here. Let's focus on this part, because what we're gonna do is that we are gonna take this 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, right? And we're gonna change them for minus 25, right? Menos 25, menos 20, menos 15, menos 10, y menos 5. Because that's how we are gonna say it. So what is the tricky part about this? The tricky part is menos, right? Is that we have to go ahead 1 hour when our minute clock, our minute hand is beyond 30. What do I mean? Like, for example, we are gonna say it's 20 to 2, right? Or it's 2 minus 20. Like, we have 20 minutes until it is 2 p.m. So it's actually 1:40. So let me put the example here. If we had this in our watch, we had this time, right? That's 1:40 right there, right? It is 1:40. 1:40. Well, guess what? We are not going to call it 1:40. No vamos a decir la 1:40. Vamos a decir las 2 menos 20. Right? Because there is 20 minutes. There is 20 minutes. 20 minutes here, right? To get to 2. So it's 20 to 2, as they say in England. Right? In Spain, or mostly in Spain. In Spanish, we say son las 2 menos 20. Right? So if we happen to have this, will be menos 25, right? Las 2 menos 25. Las 2 menos cuarto. Las 2 menos 10. Las 2 menos 5. Does that make sense? Yeah? So, if we have, por ejemplo, si tenemos las 2:45, right? And we said that this is menos cuarto. Right? Menos cuarto. It's not 2 menos cuarto. This is not 2 menos cuarto. It's 3 menos cuarto. Right? There is 15 minutes left to be 3 p.m. Does that make sense? Right? So, si tenemos, again, let's put, son las 8:55. Pues estos son las 9 menos 5. Right? It's 5 minutes until it's 9 p.m. 9 minus 5, right? Or 5 to be 9. O si tenemos las 12:35, right? Es la 1 menos 25. Bien.